Hey guys, so today is going to be day 3 of division. Today we're going to get into the really, the multiple step division problems, but it's still just the same steps we've been doing. It's just find the fact you want to use, how close can I get without going over, write that other factor up there, multiply, subtract, bring down, over and over and over again. Okay? So, let's just jump right into an example here. And we could do 487 divided by 3, just to start with. Okay, so since I'm dividing by 3, I see right away that I can do a very small division problem to start with, right? 3 will go into 4 one time, right? If I'm counting by threes, 3, counting by threes, 3, 6, 9. Okay, this is over. 3 times 1 is 3. So that's the first problem I want to do. I don't want to go all the way into 48 if I don't have to. 3 times 1 is 3. I subtract. I bring down. I subtract. The next step will be bringing down. Okay. 18. Now 3 into 18. Okay, counting by threes again. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, there's 18 exactly. That's what I was looking for. That's over. This is what I want. That's times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, times 6. Okay, so 3 times 6 is 18. So I'm going to put my 6 here because that was 48. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract. Get 0. That's okay. I still just bring it down. Okay, you only have a problem if the subtraction that you do gives you a number that's bigger than this. That having 0 is not a problem. Having a bigger number is a problem. It means you picked the wrong multiplication fact. You didn't get as close as you could without going over. Okay, so now 3 into 7. So counting by threes again. 3, 6, 9. 9 is over. So it's 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And now I'm out of things to bring down. Okay, so this is just a remainder. So if I had 487 things and I put them into groups of 3, I would have 162 groups and 1 left over. Okay, let's say I have $487 and I want to give as many people as I can $3, just giving gifts of $3 out. I could give $3 to 162 people and I would have $1 left over after I did that. Okay? It's important to understand what division does, what it is. Okay, so let's look at another one now here. How about 563, and we're going to divide by 7. So this time 7 is more than 5, right? So I can't do that little division problem. I have to go one more and go to 56. So I'm going to count by 56, or count by sevens. 7, 14, 21. I'm just adding 7 here. And there it is. If you have a multiplication chart, or if you look one up on the internet, they count by each number for you. So a multiplication chart can really help you with division. Okay, so this here's 56. 7 is a factor of 56. So 56 is a multiple of 7. Okay, so this is times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, 5, 6, 7. This is times 8. Okay, 7 times 8 is 56, exactly. So 7, the other factor goes here. I'm going into 56, so I put it above the 6 to line it up. 7 times 8 is 56. I subtract, I bring down. Okay, now if you bring down and you get a number that's smaller than this, It's not a problem, but you just have to understand that what we're saying is I have 3. How many groups of 7 can I make? I can't. I can't even make a single group of 7. Okay, so the answer is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. And now that 3 becomes a remainder because I have nothing else to bring down. Okay. Okay. Let's do 8 into 7, 172. Okay. So 8 will not go into 1, but it'll go into 17. I'm smallest problem I can do. I don't have to do 172. I'm gonna try to do 7. The 1 won't work, but 17 will work. So if I count by 8s, what's the closest fact I can think of that's close to 17 but not over? Well, 8s go 8, 16, 24. This is over. This is the fact I want. Times 1 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay? 8 times 2 is 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. Bring down 12. Okay, if I have 12, how many groups of 8 could I make? Well, only 1, because, right, 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. That's already over. So it has to just be 1. 8 times 1 is 8. I subtract. I'm going to get 4. I have nothing else to bring down, so that is just a remainder. Okay, if you had 172 Skittles and 8 friends, including yourself, each friend, if we shared equally, would get 21 Skittles, and then there would be 4 left over. Okay. Okay. Just to show you what this looks like if we go even further. It's just the same steps over and over again. So 3 is my divisor here. Then we go 3. Can I do 6? I can. Okay. 3 will go into 6. If I count by 3s, 3, 6, 9. It was times 2. Makes 6. 3 times 2 is 6. I subtract. I got 0. That's good. That's fine. Okay. Bring down the 8. How many times will 3 go into 8? 3, 6, 9. That's over. Go back to 6. 3 times 2 again. 3 times 2 is 6. I get 2. Bring down. Okay. Now 3 into 25. Now I got to go a little bit harder facts, right? So it's going to be counting by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and then 27. So 27 is over. 24 is as close as I can get without going over. Times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, times 6, times 7, times 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. That's the fact I'm going to use. Okay. I'm dealing with the 5. 3 times 8 is 24. 1. Okay. Now I'm off screen here. But the next step is going to be bringing down the 1. Oops, that was a very strange 1. 1. Okay, and now I'm just doing 3 into 11. 3, 6, 9, 12 is over. Go back. 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. That's my fact. 3 times 3 is 9. And that, I'm out of things to bring down. Remainder 2. Okay, so 6,851 divided by 3 is 2,283 remainder 2. 2 left over. Okay, that's long division. That's as long as it gets. Okay, we could do it. Same steps over and over again. It's not so hard.